So what happens when you have an accident? Don't worry, don't panic. If it's sealed, the key to removing the stain is identifying them. An oil-based stain like grease or cosmetics can darken the stone. Clean with a liquid soap, cleanser, household detergent, mineral spirits, or acetone. An organic stain like coffee or wine may cause a pinkish or brown stain. Clean with hydrogen peroxide and a few drops of ammonia. Metal stains like rust, they should be removed with a poultice. A biological stain like algae or mildew can be cleaned with a diluted ammonia, bleach, hydrogen peroxide, but don't mix bleach and ammonia. Ink stains can be removed with bleach or hydrogen peroxide for lighter stones, or lacquer thinner and acetone for darker stones. For paint stains, scrape off the amount with a sharp razor blade or use lacquer thinner. For larger amounts, you can use a heavy paint stripper. If none of these worked, a poultice is a paste made of absorbent material and a cleaning agent. Apply the poultice to the stain, cover with plastic wrap, and let sit for 24 to 48 hours. Repeat if necessary. For example, poultice on a rust stain can simply be baking soda with a little hydrogen peroxide. Make it into a paste, apply it to the stain. Tape it down with plastic to hold the moisture in, and the stain can be absorbed into the poultice. If this doesn't remove the stain after a couple attempts, call a stone professional. Okay, so what about our red wine incident? Because we had the floor sealed and cleaned the spill quickly, it was saved. A little prevention goes a long way. Now that you know everything you need to know about stone and care and maintenance, you need to watch this video right here. It'll get you the next step and down the road. And be sure to like, subscribe for more tips on tile and stone. Let's keep learning together and tile the world.